You ever sit and wonder why the ones who claim to care the most are often the ones who cause the deepest wounds? Yeah, me too. It's twisted, isn't it? You give them your time, your energy, your trust, and what do they give you in return? Pain. Not the surface kind. No. It's the soul-crushing, heart-shredding kind. The kind that lingers in the dark, waiting for you to close your eyes so it can remind you it's still there. But let me tell you something, and you'd better listen close. Pain changes you. It tears apart the person you thought you were and leaves you standing at a crossroads. You have two choices: stay broken, lying in the pieces they left behind, or rebuild yourself into someone unrecognizable, someone unstoppable. You're at that crossroads right now. But before you decide which way to go, let me make something crystal clear. They will never hurt you again. You're probably asking yourself, how? How do I stop them? They've already taken so much. I'll tell you how. Not by begging for their apologies or hoping they'll change. That's a fool's game. No, you stop them by becoming untouchable, by taking all that pain they gave you and turning it into fuel. Fuel for a fire so fierce, it burns away every ounce of weakness they ever thought they saw in you. Let's talk about trust for a second. Trust is like a loaded gun. Every time you give it to someone, you're handing them a weapon, fully loaded, safety off. Some people will use that gun to protect you. Others, they'll point it right at you the second you turn your back. And when they pull the trigger, it's not just a shot to the chest. It's a direct hit to your soul. But here's the twist. You don't have to leave that gun in their hands. Take it back, unload it, lock it away if you have to. But don't ever hand it to someone who hasn't earned it. Those scars they left on you, the ones you're so desperate to hide, stop hiding them. Wear them like armor, because those scars, they're proof that you survived what they thought would destroy you. They're reminders that you've already been through hell and come out the other side. And here's the thing about someone who's been burned. They're not afraid of the fire anymore. You want to know why they hurt you? Because they saw your kindness as weakness. That's the brutal, ugly truth. Weakness is like blood in the water, and the world is full of sharks. But here's what they didn't realize. Kindness isn't weakness. It's strength. And now you get to decide. You can let their betrayal break you, or you can let it transform you. So, stop running from the pain. Embrace it. Let it mold you into someone they'll never recognize. You've been through the fire, my friend. Now it's time to rise from the ashes. You keep looking back, don't you? Replaying the moments that broke you. Reliving the words that cut you like knives. Stop. The past is a graveyard, and every time you go digging, you're just burying yourself alongside it. Leave it there. Let it rot. Use the ashes of those memories to build something new, something stronger. They thought they could break you, but look at you. You're still here, still breathing, still standing, and that's what they can't stand. The fact that after everything they did, you're still here, stronger than ever. You're thinking about revenge, aren't you? It's natural, but let me tell you something they don't want you to know. The best revenge. It's not hurting them back. It's living so well, so fully, that their betrayal becomes irrelevant. Build a life so magnificent, so full of purpose and joy, that they become nothing more than a shadow of a bad memory. Silence. That's your weapon now. Not words, not screams, not tears. Silence. Silence says, I don't need you. You're not worth my time, my energy, or my breath. And that'll drive them mad. You see, people like them thrive on control. They hurt you to feel powerful. But the moment you stop responding, stop reacting, you take back that power. And trust me, they won't know what to do with themselves. Listen, you're going to have to learn the hardest word in the world. No. No to their fake apologies. No to their excuses. No to letting them back into your life just because they finally realized what they lost. Saying no doesn't make you cruel. It makes you strong. It sets boundaries. It protects you. You've been through hell. I know it hurts. I know you want to scream, to run, to escape the flames, but don't. Stay in the fire. Let it burn away the fear, the doubt, the parts of you they preyed on. Let it forge you into something stronger. Because once you've been through the fire, nothing can break you. Not them, not their words, not even the world itself. You're steel now, hardened, unbreakable, unstoppable. And the next time someone tries to hurt you, they'll find out the hard way. You're not their victim anymore. You're their worst nightmare. So look in the mirror and say it with me. They hurt me, but they'll never hurt me again. Say it until you believe it. Say it until it becomes the truth. And then show them. Show them the fire they ignited. Show them the strength they underestimated. Show them the person they'll regret ever crossing. Take a deep breath. Feel the power inside you grow. Let it consume every doubt, every ounce of fear, until all that remains is the unshakable truth of who you are. The world, it's not a kind place, but you've faced the worst of it and lived to tell the tale. That makes you dangerous. That makes you unbreakable. And that, my friend, is your greatest strength. So when the world tries to push you down, stand taller. When they whisper you can't, roar back that you can. You're not just surviving anymore. You're thriving. You're rising. And every step you take is a step further from the chains they tried to lock you in. Remember, the fire didn't destroy you. It forged you. And now, you are the fire. You are the storm they never saw coming. And you're unstoppable.